Hi everyone, welcome back to Thai Cooking Adventures. Today, we're making a classic Thai street food favorite, pad Krapow moo sap, or Thai basil pork. It's a quick, flavorful dish that's perfect for any meal. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 200 grams of ground pork. 4 cloves of garlic. 3 to 5 Thai bird's eye chilies, adjust to your spice preference. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 cup of fresh Thai basil leaves. Cooked jasmine rice to serve. An egg, optional, for serving. First, finely chop 4 cloves of garlic and 3 to 5 bird's eye chilies. These will give our dish its signature heat and aroma. Heat a wok or large frying pan over high heat. Add a little oil and let it get hot. Add the chopped garlic and chilies. Stir-fry them until they're fragrant, about 30 seconds to a minute. Next, add 200 grams of ground pork. Cook it until it's no longer pink, breaking it up as it cooks. Now, let's season our pork. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir everything together and let it cook for a few minutes. Finally, add 1 cup of fresh Thai basil leaves. Stir them in until they're just wilted. This should take about a minute. Serve your delicious pad Krapow moo sap over a bed of jasmine rice. For an authentic touch, top it with a crispy fried egg. The runny yolk really complements the spicy, savory pork. And there you have it, a quick and easy Thai basil pork that's perfect for any meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!